Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, guys, thank you for coming to this presentation. And then let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Asep Piki, and my partners are Erma Yulianti, Torik Fauzan, Rina Nuria, and then Ani Nur Aini. We are from the first group, and then in this presentation, we will discuss about approach. And then the first material will presentation by Erma Yulianti. Time is yours.
Thanks, moderator. Now I'm explain about approach. Approach aside from the predominant teaching of Common English, there are sometimes unclear points of focus. ESP aims is to accelerate learning with appropriate purpose and direction. The way that ESP is related basically easy and practical. There is argument and counter about knowing the purpose and the view of what it means of understand language. Specifically, and the best way to get there is to understand learning and teaching. Okay, this chapter introduces there are elements of the approach used to examine ESP in this book. There are the first is the mainly data-driven nature of the inquiry, and the second the reference to a social theory instruction, the theory which it is argued offers a useful perspective for ESP, and the third the framework by which ideas in ESP are examined and the word organized. Now we enter the first discussion about data driven. The approach taken in this book is essentially data driven. This is because ESP practice has marched ahead of discussion of ideas. It is, however, time to stand book from practice, make explicit the thinking behind it. Okay, that's enough for me. I'm back to to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Erma. And then the second material will explain by Rina Nuria. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks for moderator. Now I will explain about structuration theory. This method has an unfolding principle of language used in discourse communities, consisting of specific educational or expert group, and perspective language as genres characterized through communicative motive and awesome style of movement in them. So, the mean of theory structuration above is that people who speak language more views language as genre because this genre can be recognized from its communicative by members of the discourse community who use it. Through this genre ESP tries to provide valid language description for learners, and initially the focus of this genre-based approach is like to ESP through text type analysis. However, it has recently adopted a more dynamic genre views. Okay, that's enough for me. I bring back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Rina. And then the next second material will explain by Ani. Time is yours.
Okay, I will continue about the material structuration theory. Structuration theory is used here in two ways. Firstly, the theory can be used to expand a genre-based approach to teaching ESP. And for the second, structuration theory offers useful perspective for the analysis of option and idea in ESP of this book. Okay, the material for me is enough. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Ani. And then the last material will explain by Torik. Time is yours.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I would like to explain about framework for analysis. Framework for analysis used in the present work to examine ESP is heavily influenced by two frameworks developed for examining general English language teaching. Those are like Stern, Richards, and Rogers. Stearns proposed a general conceptual framework for language teaching that comprised 4 key concepts, which is like language, learning, teaching, and context. These were argued to be the basic building blocks of language teaching. Stern recognized that these concepts are often implicit in acts of teaching or in policy decisions practice rather than explicitly stated. Nah. Otherwise, Richards and Rogers discuss approach in language teaching. They identify the 2 main components of an approach. First, a theory of the nature of language. Second, the theory of the nature of language learning. Okay, I said second time, which Richard and Rogers discuss approach in language teaching. They identify the 2 main components of an approach. First, a theory of the nature of language. Second, a theory of the nature of language learning. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you. I give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you for Tariq. And then from our presentation, I can conclude that in this chapter approach, focus of discussion introduced 3 elements in ESP: research and data-driven to use to discuss ideas. The data-driven approach is inductive and aims to shed light on events occurring in a research process. And then the second, structuration idea addresses the problem of tolerating parties in social existence and argues that the matters appear or exist in social existence are produced via enacted varieties of conduct. And then the last conclusion is framework for analysis was heavily influenced by Stern, proposed a general conceptual framework for language teaching that comprised 4 key concepts: language, learning, teaching, and context. Okay, that's enough from our group. Thank you for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
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 wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.